गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति।
Hello everyone. Before we go and vlog the rest of the day, I'm gonna go down and get breakfast ready. Eldon is coming here for breakfast, so let us go.
It's Phoenix. You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn.
Too good. Better than hotel.
Breakfast is done, kitchen is cleaned, my room is almost done, almost clean. So now I'm going to get dressed. I need to go and meet a friend of mine. She's one of my special friend's cousin sister, and she's just come to the UK I think month or two back, 2 months back. So I'm finally going to meet her today, and hey, hello. So finally I've met. This is Haley, Keziah's cousin. Sorry, this is Haley, Keziah's cousin. Like I said, I'm going to meet one of my special friends' cousin sister. Sorry for the noise. People are saying hi in the vlogs. If I'm walking too fast, let me know, okay?
After you go down into the end.
Hi, beautiful girls, how are you?
Thank you.
What a surprise, you're from India?
Yeah, we are.
Wow, I'm from India.
Come, darling. We were trying to officially introduce, and we had all people coming in and being like, So we are heading off now to the Ganpati Mandal. A month back I had put up post-ups asking where is the place. This was her first time in Aarthi or a Ganesh Mandal. So first time that too in London. not even in Goa, not even in India, not even in Goa. It was first time in London she's attended. I miss Ganesh Chaturthi, which is back home, but after visiting this place, it feels good, a little bit good. God, this side. We are going in for now Pani Puri. I'm taking her for Pani Puri.